Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can take a burst shot using the volume up button on the iPhone 14 series. So normally when you're taking a burst shot, you swipe across like this. But sometimes it is easier to simply just press on the volume button to take a burst shot. At the moment, if I press on the volume up key, it's simply just trying to offer me to record the video. So to use the volume up button to take a burst shot, you need to first go into settings. So tap on the settings icon on the home screen, and in settings, swipe up to go down and tap on camera. Then we go down and tap on use volume up for burst. So switch it on. Now we go back to the camera. And when you are ready to take a burst shot, you can press and hold on the volume up key like this. And this will allow you to quickly take a burst shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.